Come on. Oh, it's a flatty. All right. Okay. Oop. You go there. Oh, the rain's coming in now. Foul hooked him or something. There we go. Oh shit. What do we got? Nah, teeny Brembo. Little Brem. Hey buddy, knock it off. You're a shiny little fella. About using a gaff, this doesn't happen. I'm like, it feels like weed, but it's got like, it shakes its head every now and then. Oh, look at this. Yeah, he ate my crusties. My rod, my paddle's on top of my reel. There we go. All right, well, I don't want to deal with this guy. Yeah, he's a full-on porcupine fish. Let go of my soft plastic, you. Which way around is it? Oh, I see. Yep. Hup. Get out. Get out of here. Yuck. That's not what we're after today. Not at all. Come here. Oh. You're not a bad pike, but I hate you. But I hate you. Get out of my... Alright. Nasty. Look at this. It's like a bouquet. All right. Look, it's surf and turf. Oh man. What happened to you, little dude? Ugh. And everybody's free.